Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Stitches by Amy. So in today's video we're going to be learning how to add volume to a ball gown. So I'll be working with this 6.5 inches net, hard net. So first I'll come down by 1 inch from the waistline. I'll mark it all the way around. Then I'll go down from that 1 inch by 2 inches again and mark the second line all the way around. Then I'll go down from the 2 inches by 3. 1 inches downwards. From the 1 inches you go down again 2 inches. From the 2 inches you go down again 3 inches and mark it all the way around to form the line you're going to be stitching your hard net to. So I'm working with a half circle flare, 180-degree flare. So I'll start from the bottom, that's from the 3 inches mark I left. Ensure you keep your zipper allowance before you start sewing. So you watch carefully to see how I folded my net. I'm working with only 1 yard of net here, but if you want more volume, if you want it to really stand out, you can choose to increase the yardage of hard net you're using. So this gown, I'm making it for a 2-year-old. I don't want it to be so bogus, so that's why I'm making use of just 1 yard of hard net. And then 3 steps. I'm making it into 3 steps. So watch carefully to see how I'm folding in my hard net. So if you're coming across this video and you find it really helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any updates I give on my channel. Thank you guys. So I'll fold my net, fold it again, and then roll it over. You can see the standing effect already with the little net I am using. You can choose to increase the length of this net, like I said earlier, for more volume. So do this on the wrong side of your doll face. Remember I said I cut out half circle flare for this. So the 1 inch I left at the waist there is for joining it to the main bodice, so that you won't have the waistline will not be too heavy for you to sew on. So watch how I folded this net. This tutorial is detailed enough. I'm not pleating. Kindly check it very well. I am not pleating. If you are pleating, it won't give you that effect you're looking for. But if you do it this way and you increase the amount of net you fold, it will give you that effect you're looking for. So when you're out of your net like this, you can attach another one like so. Attach another net to the end of your net and continue rolling it over. So when I'm done with the first line, I move over to the second one. You remember I started from the bottom line, moving my way upwards. You can still start from the upper line, but it will be a little bit stressful shifting the net so as to fix the one under. So the best way is to start from the bottom like this and walk your way upwards. So when you are done, don't forget to leave your seam allowance at the side of this other part of the flare. 1 inch seam and zipper allowance, like so. So this is the second line going up. Do the same thing on the second line and on the third line. When you're done with the second line, move ahead and work on the third line. You can choose to add more layers, like I said. Increase your net and add more layers. This is just about 1 yard of net. If you add more, the more layers you add, the more puffy your ball gown will look. So here is the last line that I'm working on right now. The same process on the last line. Ensure you don't stop on your seam allowance. Don't forget to leave your zipper allowance for your zip. You don't want your hard net to move into your zipper allowance. So here is the final result. Can you see how puffy this looks? When you add this to your ball gown, you're going to have that puffiness. So I'm going to go ahead now to hem the lower part of my half circle flare. I'm going to go ahead now to hem the lower part of my circle flare, and then I'm going to weave it by the sides and at the waist. So here we have 3 layers. You can see how beautiful this looks. If you add more layers, it's going to come out better than this. If you'll be trying this in your next ball gown, kindly leave a comment in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful, and don't forget to share my video to your